Hello everyone, my name is Christian Masadi. I'm with CivilityExperts.com, and I'd like to share some information that I read recently and what I did about it. According to the Gallup State of the Workplace report, 75% of manufacturing workers are disengaged at work. In fact, the manufacturing industry, according to the Gallup report, is the least engaged industry across all sectors. So I took a closer look at the primary causes for the disengagement and found three common reasons. 1. Competency and training of supervisors and management create an uncivil work environment. 2. People treatment and civility are not being used as a continuous improvement strategy. And 3. The inability or struggles for companies to have a specific strategy to change culture. What I did with that information, I wrote 3 books on each topic to address each one. The first is Social Competence for Manufacturing Supervisors. The second book is Manufacturing Civility, the People Treatment as Continuous Improvement Strategy. And the third book, which is out January 1st, is Lean on Civility, and it is a strategy specifically for changing culture. If you'd like to look at these books and read the information, please go to christianmasadi.com, or those books are also on amazon.com, and I hope you get a chance to read the books, that the information helps you ease your experience at work, and that you continuously improve in your career.